Welcome to Ravi's IT World. In this video, we are going to discuss about man pages. In Linux, we have hundreds of commands, each of them with lots of options. It's impossible even for an experienced Linux administrator to remember all the commands and their options. That is why we have an option called Help in Linux, which is built in system. In this video, we are going to talk about man pages. Man is short for manual, and a man page is simply the documentation of a program or command. We can use this command to read the documentation of a specific command. For opening the man page of a command, we can type in the terminal man and the command's name. Now we will open the man page of the ls command. Here I am typing as man and ls. Here you can observe the man page of ls command is opened. By default, man uses a program called less to display the output. While you are in the man page, you can get additional help by typing the letter H. Here now I am typing the letter H. You can observe this title summary of less commands. This means that the man command used the less command to display the help. As a beginner, you could feel some weird, but there is a command called less which is used to display the contents of the text files. If you want to quit of the present screen, you can simply press Q. If you want to come out of this man page, again you can press Q. Now again let's open the man page of ls command, man ls, and you can observe here what is its main structure. You will find the same structure for all man pages. The first line contains the name of the command and you are regarding about, along with a very short description. Then comes the synopsis of the command, which provides a formal description of how to run it. In this example, we can repeat different options and also file names. Here, options are not mandatory in the case of ls command. We can run it both with or without options and arguments. Other conversations used in man pages are when you see bold text you are supposed to type in exactly. But when you see an underline or italic text, you need to substitute it with something appropriate. Here you can observe this block size is equal to size. Here size is underlined. So here you should give some appropriate value for that. After the synopsis, a longer description of the command is given together with all its various options. Here you can observe all its available options are explained here. When you see an option in short format, a comma, and an option in long format, it means that you can use any form you wish. Note that some man pages contain an extra section called options where the options are explained. Here, let me zoom in this. Now, example, we will open a man page of df command, man df. Here you can observe the man page of the command df. Now this is the options section. Now here you can observe we got some options section here, but whereas in ls command there is no section called options separately. Okay, I am closing the terminal of df command. Now we will know about the navigation within our man page. Now let's see most important navigation keys. Use the arrow keys to move a line up or down. To forward one window, press on Ctrl F. Now I am pressing the Ctrl F. Now you can observe we have forwarded one window. Or you can press on the space key also. Observe this. Now I am forwarding one window by pressing on space. I am at the end, and if you want to move backwards of a screen or a window, you can press Ctrl B. Now I am pressing Ctrl B. And to go to the very beginning of the man page, you can type lowercase g. You can observe now we are at the beginning of the man page. And to go to very end of the man page, you can type uppercase letter G. Now you can observe we are at the end of the man page. Sometimes you want to search in the current man page for a specific option. Let's say now we are in the man page of ls and we want to find the matches of our sort within that manual page. Now what I will do is I will write a backslash and the string I want to search for. Now I am going to the top of the man page and I am giving backslash and I am typing the string. The string I want to search for is sort and I am pressing enter. Any matches in the current man page will be highlighted. You can then navigate between matches by typing the letter N like this, or you can use Shift N or uppercase N. N will take you to the next match and Shift or uppercase N will go to the prior match. When you search using a forward slash, the search term it is searched forward. But for example, if you want to search backwards, then you type question mark and the search term. Here I am typing a question mark and I am typing -u. I was searching backwards for -u and it found a match which says that the option is used not to sort file entries. Okay, those were the most important things about the man pages. Also note that there are two types of commands in Linux. Commands that are executable files on the disk and shell built-in commands. The last ones are built into shell and most of the time they don't have a dedicated man page. To check if a command is an executable file or a shell built-in, use the type command. Here I am exiting from this man page and I am typing type df. Here you can observe it is displaying the path to the command. Now I am typing type rm. Here also it is showing the path to the command. All these commands are executable files and have their own dedicated man pages. But commands like cd, alias or umask are shell built-in and do not have a dedicated man page. Now here I am typing type alias. Here you can observe the note is given that alias is a shell built-in. Now again I am typing type umask. You can observe here umask is a shell built-in. To see the help of such a command, instead of man, use help. Here I am typing help cd. Here you can observe some basic information was given. Or I will type help alias. Note that you can use the help command only for the shell built-in commands. Now I am typing help ls. Here you can observe it is given that no help topics match ls. That is, for executable commands, if you type help ls, it won't give any result. But there is another way to get some help is to write the name of the command and --help. Here I am typing ls space ls space -help. Now you can observe this. By typing the command name and -help, it will be used for both shell built-in and executable file commands. Now we will know about the new command ifconfig. You can observe here this is used to both display information about the network interfaces and configure them. If you want to see the IP or MAC address of a network interface, you have ifconfig at your disposal. ifconfig belongs to NetTools package. If when running ifconfig it says command not found, then you should first install the NetTools package. As I already installed the NetTools package for this, it is visible for me. If you got command not found package, then you should type sudo apt install NetTools. If you type like this and press enter, the tools will be installed. If we want to search for a command, feature or keyword in all man pages, for doing that use man space - key and the keyword you are using search for. Here I am typing man space -k ifconfig. As you can observe here, you can also pass a string enclosed in double quotes as argument. Here I am typing man space -k in double quotes copy files and enter. Here you can observe. That's it for today. We will meet with another video.